Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. So go ahead and enter your email address and your password. And after you log in, you can choose your account from the Who's Watching screen. After entering your passcode and logging in to your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through the various different shows. Now, if you wish to change your account password, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then tap on account. You will now be taken into your account page within which you will be able to find your account information. Now, underneath membership and billing, you will find the change password option. Go ahead and tap on this, and once you tap on change password, you will be asked to enter your current password first. So type in your current password and then continue forward and you will be allowed to create your new password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then tap on the change password button, and then your password will immediately be changed. Now, once your password has been changed, you might be asked to log back into your account for security purposes. So go ahead and log in using your new password along with your original email address, and you will be logged back into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.